All right, I am going to now show you how to complete Lone Star 28, numbers 1 through 4. Number 1, Dominic found 3 shells on the beach. This is for Dominic. Sadie found twice as many shells as Dominic. Twice means multiply by 2. So I'm going to write that as a note. Noah found twice, this is for Noah, which is times 2. Noah found twice as many shells as Sadie. How many shells did Noah find? I'm going to go ahead and write down some information. Dominic, we know that Dominic found 3 shells. Sadie found twice as many as Dominic. So if Dominic found 3 shells, we're going to multiply it by 2. So Sadie found 6 shells. Noah found twice as many shells as Sadie. Well, Sadie found 6 shells. We're going to multiply it by 2. And our answer is 12. Noah found 12 shells. Number 2. Brandy divided a figure into 4 parts. So here's part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Which 2 parts of the figure are parallelograms? A parallelogram is where opposite sides are parallel to each other, meaning they never, ever, ever intersect. If we look at W, we have these 2 sides are parallel. These 2 opposite sides are parallel, but these 2 sides, they are not parallel. Eventually, they will intersect, so it can't be W. Now we look at X. We have this side and its opposite side. They are parallel. And then we have this side and its opposite sides. They are also parallel. So X is a parallelogram. Let's look at Y. This side and this side are parallel, and then we have this length, this side and this side, they are not parallel. Eventually they will intersect, so it cannot be Y. Z, opposite sides are parallel. This side is parallel to this side, so Z is the other figure that is parallel. Number 3. Juan Jin designed the bookmark shown below. It says to use a ruler to find the perimeter, which is the outer length of the bookmark in inches. All right, so I have my ruler. This is a rectangle. This side is 6 inches. Because this is a rectangle, I know that the opposite side is equal in length. So 6 inches on this side, 1 inch over here, which makes this side also 1 inch. The perimeters, when we add up all of the sides, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus another 1 is 14. So 14 inches equals the perimeter. Number 4 on Lone Star 28. Mr. Nugent graphed the type and number of different animal tracks he saw in the forest. Here's my graph. It is a pictograph. Since it is a pictograph, I know it's going to have a key. It says that each paw print means 4 tracks. So here's 1 paw print, that is 4. These are all 4 paw prints. I'm multiplying 4 times. 4 times 4, 16. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's 4 times 3 is 12. This is 4. This is half of a paw print, so it's 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. It says how many more? Already, I think I'm subtracting. How many more deer tracks than squirrel tracks? Here's deer, here are the squirrel. 16 minus 6 equals 10. 10 tracks, that is my answer.